Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Quiz Parade. So today we'll be doing some important questions on general science which are very important for the exams like UPSC, PSC, SSC, Bank and Railways. And friends, do like and subscribe the channel to get an update whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Which among the following provides a potential energy to an object? Its momentum, its position, its acceleration, its shape. And the correct answer is option B, its position. Speed of light will be maximum in which of the following mediums? Water, kerosene, flint glass, diamond. And the correct answer is option A, water. Question number 3. Which of the following scientific discoveries was made by C.V. Raman? Inelastic scattering of light by molecules, superconductivity, controlled nuclear fission, cyclotron. And the right answer is option A, inelastic scattering of light by molecules. Question number 4. Who was the first scientist to discover electrons? Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, J.C. Bose, J.J. Thomson. And the right answer is option B, J.J. Thomson. Question number 5. What is the force of attraction between any two bodies by virtue of their masses is called? Electromagnetic force, gravitational force, centripetal force, nuclear force. And the right answer is option B, gravitational force. Question number 6. The force between charged particles is called as nuclear force, gravitational force, centrifugal force, electromagnetic force. And the right answer is option D, electromagnetic force. Question number 7. Which of the following is the largest practical unit of mass? Slug, AMU, hyper kg, CSL. And the right answer is option D, CSL, which is also known as Chandrasekhar limit. What is the time taken by the Earth to complete one rotation about its axis with regard to a fixed star? Sidereal day, solar day, shake, tropical year. And the right answer is option A, sidereal day. Which of the following is the unit of impulse? Newton, Newton second, Newton per second, Newton second square. And the right answer is option B, Newton second. Impulse is equal to force into time. Newton and second. Next question. Which of the following is the unit of solid angle? Radian, steradian, meter square, pi. And the right answer is option B, steradian. What is the maximum height that can be attained by a projectile? Equal to its maximum range, on half of its maximum range, 1/4 of its maximum range, twice of its maximum range. And the right answer is option C, 1/4 of its maximum range. What is the apparent weight of a person when the elevator is accelerating downwards? Equal to its actual weight, greater than the actual weight, less than the actual weight, or 0? And friends, the right answer is option C, less than the actual weight. Question number 13. Which of the following is an example of application of force? When a body at rest starts moving, when a moving body stops, when moving body changes its direction, or all of the above. So friends, the right answer is option D, all of the above. All are the examples of application of force. Work done is defined as the dot product of which of the following vectors? Force and acceleration, force and area, force and instantaneous velocity, and force and displacement. And the right answer is force and displacement. Work equals to F dot displacement. Moving on to next question. The capacity of a body to do work is known as energy, power, momentum, strength. And the right answer is option A, energy. Question number 16. What will be the work done in holding a 25 kg iron plate for 25 seconds? 25 joules, 1 joule, 0 or 625 joule. And the right answer is option C, 0. Friends, this is a conceptual question, so you must answer it correctly. Question number 17. What should be the angle between force and displacement for maximum work to be done? 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 30 degree. So friends, work is equal to Fs cos theta. So for this term to be maximum, cos theta value has to be maximum, and this can only be achieved when theta is equal to 0 degree. So the right answer would be option A, 0 degree. Which of the following represents the absolute zero temperature? 0 degrees Celsius, minus 100 degrees Celsius, minus 273.1 degrees Celsius, 273.15 degrees Celsius. And the right answer is option C, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. What do we call a device by which a system is made to undergo a cyclic process resulting in conversion of heat to work? Heat engine, refrigerator, no such device exists, or none of the above. And the right answer is option A, heat engine. So friends, now today's last question, that is question number 20. What causes the twinkling of stars? Atmospheric refraction of starlight, dispersion of starlight, scattering of starlight, or none? And the right answer is atmospheric refraction of starlight. So friends, these were the 20 questions of today's video. Hope you have liked the session. Do share with your friends and please press the bell icon to get an update whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.